I found the new Sonny Angels. It's called Creamy. It looks so cute. Like the Sonny Angels, we have all these options. I think I would like the pinky ones. But in fact, they look all very cute. It's really cool because we can customize them. So I got a yellow tube, which means we can have a better idea of which one I have. So it should be one of these ones. And here we go. I'm so happy because this one has pink hair. It is really cute and so cool as it's a keychain. I just realized that I picked the one on the cover. I can make her like in the cover with this yellow tube, and there is some cute cookie to put also. Should I do it? Let me know in the comment. So I got her, so happy. I think the customizing part is a really nice idea. Do you still prefer the Sonny Angels? Let me know in the comments. I really like those ones. The pink hair, the fact that it's a keychain and we can customize them. Let's compare it with the pink bunny Sonny Angel. Which one do you prefer? I think they're both cute. This one is also so cute. I want them all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.